Cryptosteel Cassette Solo Unboxing. Welcome to the unboxing video for the Cryptosteel Cassette Solo. Our mission is to educate, provide security, and promote financial self-sovereignty. Cryptosteel products are simple yet sophisticated, designed for perfection, tested for extreme endurance and apex security to provide peace of mind. Cryptosteel is the original creator and manufacturer of stainless steel cryptocurrency hardware wallet backups and holds patents for these innovative devices. This video is intended for new users and potential customers who are considering purchasing our products. Inside the box, you'll find a pictorial instruction manual, a cardboard sheet used to make setup easier, and our custom foam assembly tray, perfected in design to provide the best possible user experience, facilitating fast and easy assembly. The boxed set also includes exclusive artwork, a sticker designed by one of our collaborating internationally acclaimed artists. A total of 96 character tiles can be inserted on both sides into the cassette, making up 24 four-letter words in the BIP39 password standard, used as a backup security access code for your hardware wallet and crypto resources. These are character tiles. The set contains an estimated 280 character tiles. The set is partially randomized to prevent reverse cryptographic hack attempts. The character tiles are deeply engraved by stamp pressing to ensure durability and legibility. This is the Cryptosteel cassette. It slides open to allow insertion and reading back of the recovery seed phrase for your hardware wallet device, or for other passwords or sensitive data. Use a character tile to turn the lock, opening the latch, allowing entering the sequence of characters. The cassette is made of high-grade stainless steel, providing protection against impact, electrical shock, water and salt corrosion, and fire. Watch the next video appropriate to your hardware wallet device to learn more about generating a recovery seed phrase and storing it in the cassette. Cryptosteel, the mother of all backups.